Hi, and welcome to Perspective Look Lakers-fandom. Today, we're going to see some of the plays that Frank Vogel used in his offense and how these plays apply to the new Lakers. Stay tuned in 3, 2, 1. Perspective Log X Lakers-fandom with your host, E.A. Crespo. If you appreciate this video, go ahead and press the like button. Also, for more content, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. And to help us grow, share it. Thank you, and let's continue with the video. To do flare screens, you usually have the 1, the 2, and the 3 top of the key behind the three-point line and 15 feet from each other. In this play, you can see the shooter close to the paint, 15-footer probably, and that shot can be done by any of the bigs. Is the hand pointing, and the happy face is a player that was left alone in the defense to help against the shooter. So the shooter has the possibility to pass the ball. In this play, pay attention to the arrow and to the screener. Screener could be any of the bigs, but especially it would work with Markieff, Gasol, or Anthony Davis. Happy face the shooter, horizontal arrows, possible perimeter shooter. The arrow pointing up is something that probably won't happen at the post with the Lakers. This next play, you can see the ball handler rejecting the screen and then passing to the screener. The screener is the shooter, and this play could be used by any of the bigs, maybe excluding Montrezl. I think this is a classic shooter, KCP, maybe Caruso type of play. I do not want to get into all the play actions and the horns plays and the hammer plays and all the variations of all the arsenal of schemes that Frank Vogel has. There are too many. But let me tell you this. there is a play for everybody. And I don't think Frank Vogel ever had a group as talented as the one he has right now. Even the Lakers of last year, the championship team, doesn't have the offensive power that this team actually has. So it would be difficult for me to show you all the action. I'm sorry. Show you all the play action moves, all the screens that are left here in this video. I can only mention a few because I wanted to keep this video short. But this is going to be an amazing time to be a Laker fan. And I am loving it. I hope you're loving it too, because it's gonna be a fun ride to championship number 18. May God bless you, and take care of each other and yourself. All right? Go Lakers. Bye-bye. What? You are still watching? Please hit the like button. You must like this video. See you in